Imagine hitting the trails, getting a flat, and realizing your multi-tool just isn't enough. What if your bike rack could actually help you fix it? That's exactly the kind of forward-thinking design you get with the KUAT NV2 1.25 2-bike hitch rack, a piece of gear that genuinely feels like it was designed by cyclists, for cyclists. This isn't just another way to haul your bikes. It's a robust, all-metal companion built for the long haul, specifically tailored for those with smaller vehicles sporting a 1.25-inch hitch receiver. Think compact cars, sedans, and mini crossovers. KUAT understands that smaller vehicles shouldn't mean compromising on quality or capacity. From the moment you interact with it, you can feel the rugged construction. It's not flimsy, it's substantial, weighing in at just over 62 pounds, which speaks volumes about its durability. One of the standout features is its adjustable front tire cradle system. This isn't a one-size-fits-all compromise, it truly adapts. Whether you're carrying a sleek road bike, a burly mountain bike, or even a fat bike with those massive tires, the cradle adjusts effortlessly to secure the front wheel. This minimizes movement during transport, giving you peace of mind even over rough terrain. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference in stability. Now, let's talk about the real game changer, the integrated trail dock repair stand. This isn't some flimsy add-on. It's a fully functional repair stand that folds out directly from the rack. Need to tune your brakes mid-ride? Adjust a derailleur after a bumpy section. The trail dock is right there, ready to assist. It's an incredibly thoughtful inclusion that transforms your rack from a simple carrier into a mobile service station. When you're done, it tucks away neatly, almost disappearing into the rack's design. Convenience continues with the foot and hand pivot system. This is a lifesaver, especially if you're hauling heavier e-bikes. You can tilt the entire rack up or down with a simple press of your foot, allowing easy access to your vehicle's rear hatch or trunk, even with 2 bikes loaded. No more struggling to unload bikes just to grab something from the back. The hand pivot offers that extra bit of control, making adjustments smooth and effortless. Speaking of e-bikes, the NV2 is an ideal choice for e-bike owners. Each tray is engineered to securely hold bikes weighing up to 60 pounds. That's a serious capacity, ensuring even the heaviest e-models are transported without a hitch. And if your bike collection grows, or you often travel with more friends, the rack is also expandable, offering even greater flexibility. While the rack itself isn't designed to fold compactly for storage off your vehicle, its robust nature and the tilting mechanism for on-vehicle access are what truly define its functionality. It's built to be a permanent, reliable fixture for your adventures. In conclusion, the KUAT NV2 1.25 is more than just a bike rack. It's an investment in hassle-free cycling. Its rugged construction, incredible versatility with the adjustable cradles, and the revolutionary trail dock repair stand make it an absolute powerhouse for any cyclist, especially those with smaller vehicles and a love for e-bikes. It's a premium product that delivers on every promise, making every journey to the trail a little bit smoother.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.